Hi everyone, I am Aanya Saini. I joined Unison 3 years back in class 8 in foundation batch. Since then, I have been noticing that the teachers at Unison give personal attention to each and every child. They prepare us for various Olympiads as well as for boards. I scored 98% marks in my class 10th boards. I am so thankful to the teachers at Unison, especially Jatin sir and Shivani ma'am. Jatin sir always believed in me and motivated me to do my best. It is the result of his belief in me that I have scored 100 out of 100 marks in maths. Shivani ma'am was also a great support. She was always ready to clear all my doubts. She made science easier for me. I am so fortunate to have such great teachers. Also, the grand test series at the end boosted my confidence and helped me a lot. So thanks a lot.